Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ledger of opening entry. An opening entry is a crucial first step in any accounting period, setting the stage for accurate financial tracking. It essentially brings forward the final balances from the previous period's books, ensuring your new accounting cycle starts with the correct financial picture. This process is fundamental for maintaining the integrity of your financial records and preparing reliable statements. Before you can create an opening entry, you need to gather all the necessary financial information. This involves carefully identifying every asset, liability, and equity account from the end of the previous accounting period. Your balance sheet from that period is your best friend here, providing all the closing balances you'll need. Ensure you have precise figures for each account, as accuracy is paramount for this foundational step. Now, let's move to journalizing the opening entry. You will debit all your asset accounts, such as cash or accounts receivable, with their specific opening balances. Conversely, you will credit all your liability accounts, like accounts payable, and all your equity accounts, including owner's capital. Remember, the fundamental accounting equation dictates that total debits must always equal total credits, ensuring your books remain perfectly balanced. The final step is posting these journal entries to your general ledger. Each debit and credit from your opening entry needs to be meticulously transferred to its corresponding ledger account. For instance, the cash debit goes into the cash T account, and the accounts payable credit goes into the accounts payable T account. This process establishes the starting balance for every account, preparing your ledger for all subsequent transactions in the new accounting period.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.